Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can open Google Doc as PDF. So let's say you have a Google document and you want to open it as a PDF. For that you cannot just click on it and convert it into PDF. You need to download it. So let's say I go into a file and I want to access it as a PDF. For that I need to click on file at the top right, click on download and click on PDF. Once I do that, that file is going to be downloaded as a PDF on my PC. So let me show you. As you guys can see, the file has been downloaded as a PDF on my PC. So if I click on it, my PDF will open up just like this, as you guys can see. So yeah, that is basically how you guys can open a file of Google document or convert your Google document file into PDF. And if you have a PDF and you want to turn it into a Google Doc, you can just basically drag and drop your PDF on your Google Doc over here like this. And it's going to load for some time and it's going to help you open it up just like this over here. So that is how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.